Hello guys, welcome back to online class for excellence. Today, as I have told in the last video, my last video पे बोला था कि आज आऊँगा progression लेके, तो I have come up with arithmetic progression in the first session of this class, and geometric progression I will cover up in the second class. So before going into progression and all, you guys need to know some basic terms, that is terminologies that you need in order to understand the subject. So number one is sequence. So what is sequence? Sequence is when I write 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is a sequence because 2, 4 plus 2 is happening, 4 plus 2 is happening. So this is a sequence. So anything can happen, like 2, then 4, then like 9. So 2 square, 3 square, 9 square. All are like sequences being followed. And over here elements. The elements are like over here 2, 4, 6 and 8 are the elements. Okay. And progression. So now how this series and elements are mixed up together and they are following a progression. They are following a particular pattern. So both have progression. So number one in progression, I guess you guys have understood this basic terms, and now I will come to the arithmetic progression. So what is the arithmetic progression? In which the next term, like here also the sequence is also here, the elements also here. So if I write like A, B, C, D, they are going in arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression means that it is going by obtaining a certain, like you have to obtain B from A by certain quantity. Again from C, like C will obtain from B, D will obtain from C. So in a definite pattern, it will be equal. Like for over here 2, 5, 8, like 11. So 3 is the difference over here. So we are obtaining this term from this, we are obtaining this term from this, we are obtaining this term from this, which is having a particular difference in between them. That is the arithmetic progression. So now we'll come to some basic terminologies of arithmetic progression. तो पहले उसका पहले एक चीज मैं बताने वाला हूँ, वो है like it can be minus and plus as well. Like for example, minus 20, minus 24, minus 28. This is also in arithmetic progression. Okay. So over here the common difference is minus 4. So minus also can happen, positive also can happen. So now I will tell, like if a sequence is being followed and the first term is A and the common difference is D, like the common difference is this. So 3 is the common difference over here. So let the common difference be D. Last term is Tn. Last term means over here like 2, 5, 8, 11. So 11 is the last term. Over here Tn. Last term of the series. It may continue infinite. Okay. ये तो कितना हो सकता है? So I am taking it Tn and number of terms as n. So n number of terms. It can be any number of terms. Then arithmetic mean another term is over here an. Like I will come back to this point. And now sum of n terms of an AP. So if the summation like 2, 5, 8, 11. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 11 is 26. So over here we know like 4 term is over here. But if consider there are over 80 terms, then that will be very difficult for you guys to sum it up, like add 80 numbers. So for that reason, we have got a formula over here. Sum of n terms of an AP, like the sequence which is in an AP, the sum is formula is Sn because the number of terms is over here, n is over here n. So equal to n by 2, n is the number of terms, equal to 2 into A is the first term, A is the first term, plus n minus 1, n is the number of terms, into D, this is in a bracket, D is the common difference. Okay, so this is the basic thing that you guys need, the formula and all the other things that you need in case of AP. Now we'll come back with the problems and all, so that you guys also do it with me, you guys also practice the summation. These are all the basic things, the basic formulas that you need over here. And one more thing I will say, like Tn, let me write the term of Tn as well, so that it is also a formula. So Tn is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is also Tn. Like for example, if you have the first term and you have you have the number of terms in your hand, you have 30 terms. So you know the first term, what is the value of first term, you know the number of terms is 30, and you know the common difference because first, second or third, like four terms are given, then dot, like 38th term is given over here. Okay, so n is the 30 because number of terms is 30, A will be the 2, D is like 3 over here. So if we put all the values, we will find Tn, like the last term of the sequence series, the last term. So these are the basic formulas that you guys need. You can pause the video and write it down. And for the timing, I will come back again with problems. Till then guys, you can note it down and think. I will come back with the problem shortly. So guys, these are some problems of arithmetic progression. So this session I am going to end with arithmetic progression only. Then in the next video I will come back with geometric progression. So now I will go to the problem sums. So I've written here 5 sums. There are various the problems have no ending. You guys can practice it from your textbook. You can guys practice it in any other online PDF as well. If you search in Google, you can find many kinds of problems. So I've given just basically 5 problems over here. Number 1, find the AP whose second term is 12, seventh term exceeds the fourth term by 15. So you have to find the AP, the sequence. You have to find the sequence whose second term is 12, the seventh term is greater than the fourth term by 50. So over here second term is A plus D. A is the first term. I will take it A as the first term. So A plus D, D is the common difference. You guys know I've written it in the board previously. So A plus D is equal to 12. This is the second term. So seventh term and fourth term. So seventh term is A plus 6D. Why 6D? If the second term is A plus D, so third term will be A plus 2D, then fourth term will be A plus 3D, A plus 5D and so on. So A plus 6D is the seventh term, fourth term is A plus 3D. 3D why? Because we will add D, continue adding D to find the next term. So if A is the first term and D is the common difference. So if we write this as an equation, we will get D as 15 and A as 7 because A plus D is equal to 12, we know D as 5, so A is equal to 7. So find the AP. So the AP is, the first term is 7, then second is D, you have to keep on adding the common difference, then 2 into D, then 3 into D, then 4 into D and so on. This is the main sequence of the AP. Then coming back to the second problem, which term of AP? This is the AP, it's given, is 8.7. Which term? So I will write it over here, the formula. Okay, the formula. So here Tn is the 8.7, the term. 4.2 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and 0.5 is the difference. See, 4.7 minus 4.2 is 0.5, 5.2 minus 4.7 is equal to 0.5. So from here we will get n equal to 10. So which term of AP? So Tn, we have got n equal to 10. So 10th term of the AP is 8.7. So number C, this sum you guys have to do it and tell me in the comment section the answer. Which term of AP, like 4, 11, 18, this is the AP, is 42 more than its 25th term? So which term of the AP is more than the 25th term by 42? Okay, so we have to find the 25th term first. So you use this formula, 25th. So A you know 4, N you know and D you know also 4, 11, 18, so it's 7, 7, 7 and 25th term, so N will be over here 25. So T25 you will get it. Now Tn minus T25 equal to 42. So Tn is what? The term, that which term? So Tn is 10, then we will use this formula only. A you know, N we don't know, N we have to find it out, D you know. So over here I have written in the equation, you guys tell me what is the Tn or what is N. You basically have to find out which term. Okay. So now coming back to number D. How many terms of AP? This is the AP, 20, 19, see, you guys see it's decreasing, the term is decreasing. So the difference will be in minus, negative. 18 2 by 3 must be taken, so sum is 300. So the sum will be 300. So this is the formula, guys. I told you the basic formula in the last class as well. So this is the summation formula. So sum is over here 300. Okay, A is over here 20, D is 19. You have to minus this, so it will come minus 2 by 3. So you guys know D as well, and A you guys know. So how many terms? So you have to find N over here. N you don't know. N you have to find it out. So sum you know. Over here after calculating, you guys will see that N will come 36. So again the last sum of this session. How many whole numbers each divisible by 7? Each divisible by 7 lie between 200 and 500. So how many numbers are there? They are between 200 and 500, that is divisible by 7. So over here I will divide 200 by 7 as well as 500, because see, you guys know as me as well, like 200 and 500 are not divisible by 7. But for a particular, we have to find a particular number, like between 200 and 500, we have to find a arbitrary starting, like a starting number and the ending number. Otherwise, how can you form the sequence in order to find out the answer? So we have to divide 200 by 7, 500 by 7, it is 28, 4 by 7 and 71, 3 by 7. So numbers divisible by 7 are, what will be the numbers that is divisible by 7? So 28, 4 by 7, we will consider from the next number because it is a starting point. So we will consider the next number is 29, okay, 29. And over here 71, see over here it is coming 71, but we will take it over 71. Why? Because see over here 28, 4 by 7, so it is slightly ahead, like if you see the 4 parts is over here, so 4 by 7, so and it is over here 3 by 7, so we will consider 71 over here, but in this case we will consider the next number because it is more closer to 29 than 28. So numbers divisible by this are 29 into 7, 30 into 7, continue 71 into 7. Why into 7? Because we are multiplying these numbers with 7 so that they are divisible, because so that we can make this number divisible by 7. So 29 into 7 will come 203, like 71 into 7 will come 497. So now we have to find like how many whole numbers, how many numbers are there, how many things are there. So this is the last term 497, we will put it over here. This is the first term 203. You guys know like what is happening is like 210 over here and 203, so 7, because we are multiplying with 7 is the D. So from here we will get n equal to 43. So how many whole numbers? There are 43 whole numbers, each divisible by 7 between 200 and 500. So guys, thank you. This is the class for arithmetic progression. You guys can have it for class 9 and 10 as well as 8 because this is an important chapter. You guys will have it in your 11, 12 as well when you will pursue mathematics in your higher secondary, like class 11 and 12 mathematics. So you guys can note it down. You can pause the video. You can note it down. If you have any queries, do write me in the comment section and share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel so that many students can take the benefit of these classes. Next class I will come back with geometric progression of mathematics section. Thank you.